What's going on, YouTube world? I'm Austin Zabak, and I'm going to share with you 5 businesses that you can start in 2019 with no money. Number 1, affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is just essentially where you're marketing somebody else's product or service and you receive a commission. Okay, you can do this through social media, you can do it off of social media, there's a lot of network marketing companies out there, but ultimately there's companies all over the planet that will pay you a commission by going out and essentially telling your friends and your family or spreading it to a further audience via social media and get essentially paid a commission to market their product or service, okay? Super simple, and this is number 1, the first business that you can start in 2019 for free. Number 2 business you can start in 2019 for free is become a graphic designer or something of the sort. Now, what do I mean by that? Well, you could go out and you could learn how to do graphic designs. You could learn how to do email banners. You could learn how to build a website. You can learn how to do something on the internet, and then you can go on Fiverr or you can go to Upwork or a company or a website very similar to Fiverr and Upwork, and you can charge other people for your knowledge, right? For your service. It's completely free. There's basically no hassle. And on top of all that, if you already know how to do something, if you can already provide value to the world, guys, this is a no-brainer. That's the number 2 business you can start in 2019 for free. Number 3 business you can start in 2019 for free is a meal prep service. Now, I got to thinking and I was like, you know what? I pay for meal preps, right? I'm super busy. I'm an entrepreneur. I'm going all the time, non-stop, literally every single day, all day, and therefore I don't have time to go grocery shopping. And I definitely don't want to eat out all the time because that's super unhealthy for me. So in my life, I've actually hired somebody and I pay them every single week to cook my meals. If you're watching this video and you're knowledgeable in the kitchen, okay, and if you also enjoy cooking, then you could go out and potentially on social media or just offer to your friends and family or coworkers that you'll prep their meals for them at a cost. Now, obviously, you would just want to create arbitrage and charge more than the meals actually cost, and then obviously make sure that you're making enough money to where it makes sense for the amount of time that you spend actually cooking the meals, okay? This can be super beneficial for guys like me or girls like me that are extremely busy, and for you, if you're watching this, it might not be that hard for you if you're good in the kitchen and you enjoy it. Number 4, guys, you can be a dog walker or dog sitter, okay? I was actually Googling right before I decided to make this video, and there's quite a few apps that you can download and you can actually go walk people's dogs and charge them to do so. Look, this could be a double freaking win-win, by the way. If you're already going out there and you're already like trying to exercise, you want to get outside, you want to enjoy the beautiful freaking weather, well, at least it's beautiful here in Arizona. I don't know where you're at. Guys, this can be a total win-win. You can walk other people's dogs, you can make money, or to take it a step further, if you'd like to make even more money, I was doing some research and it looks like you can make a decent amount of money dog sitting, right? There might be people that are going on vacation, they're taking their kids somewhere, they're taking their family somewhere, and they don't want to bring their dog. Now, you might be able to have the dog at your place, or you might be able to go stay at their place. Either way, this is a great business that you can start in 2019, and it doesn't cost any freaking money. Number 5, guys, if you already own a car, you can go ahead and you can download Uber. They've lightened up a lot to my knowledge when it comes to the car that they'll accept, stuff like that. Obviously, owning a car isn't free, but I did want to throw this one in there because if you already do own a car, then technically you're not out of pocket any more money. Okay, I know a lot of Uber drivers or a lot of Lyft drivers that do make a substantial amount of money, and it is a very valid business that you could start in 2019. Now, I wanted to kind of add a little slash and let you guys know of another one that I thought of in case you're not old enough to drive, or you know, if you don't have a car. This is probably going to be for someone that's a little bit younger watching this video. And something that came to my mind was just a simple lawn mowing business, right? Your mom or your dad, if you're younger, probably own a lawnmower, and you probably have a lot of neighbors in your neighborhood and a lot of grass where you can go knock on their door, introduce yourself, and let them know that you would like to cut their lawn for X amount of dollars per week or per month, right? This is a business, so this is what a lot of kids do, a lot of entrepreneurs do when they're young, you know, like lemonade stands, stuff like that, but it is a very viable business that you could start in 2019 if you're younger, okay? Obviously, if you're older, you could probably scale that business, aka start a landscaping company, and that's obviously a viable business as well, but it would not be free, obviously, to start. So Anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I just wanted to let you know that this was a super transparent video. I was being very just open. Obviously I didn't even turn on the monitors or anything behind me. It was just something that was on my mind. A lot of people are always like, hey, how can I make more money in 2019? What businesses can I start? These are a few that I thought of literally off the top of my head. Okay. Anyways, drop in the comment section down below if you'd like to see more videos like this. Subscribe, please, if you haven't already. Smash that thumbs up button. I look forward to seeing you in the next video.